Been feeling kind of lame the last couple of days. I haven't gotten a lot done on the Skyline. Hoping to do a little bit of something today. I need to start off by taking the front clip off. After that, I think I'm going to work on separating the section of wheel well on the passenger side that is completely rusted out. And I'll do the same from the pieces we pulled off of my Skyline. Let's get at it. Alright, I've showed this to you guys on a couple of different occasions, but this is what I was talking about when I was referring to the broken section, or the rusted section of the wheel well that I want to take off. You can see there's rust all the way through. You guys can see my fingers. That's not cool. I don't like that. Fortunately for me, I have this piece over here that came from my Skyline originally. And it looks like this piece has almost no or no rust at all. I'm gonna start marking out these spot welds and trying to get ready to take these two wheel well pieces off, because I'm pretty sure that this wheel well piece is going to be the only chunk that I actually completely replace on the new front clip. Originally, I was thinking that I was going to kind of dismantle everything to try to take care of the rust with like a grinder or something, but we've come to the conclusion that the car will probably be okay for a good long time, as long as we take off all of the seam sealer on the front clip where it's affected by rust, and we carefully rust treat everything in between the seams. I think we'll be able to kill anywhere from 80 to 90% of the rust within the front clip, as long as we treat it really carefully and you know, we do our best work on it. I feel pretty comfortable with carefully treating the entire front clip for rust, and we'll probably respray everything with some rust inhibiting primer and just hope for the best.
Oh, I just don't think it would ever go back together quite as strong as it was originally. I mean, you could stitch it all back together and, you know, make sure it's strong that way, but also
then when you crash it, it's totaled completely.
Right,
it's all done.
Because everything's going to be fucked up.
Exactly.
But also what we're seeing down here isn't that bad, except for where it's bad, and we're going to replace all that.
Yep.
So there's no question in my head that leaving it together is the right thing to do. That's
No, I'm with you, and I'm not looking to make more work for myself.
Well, that's the other thing. I mean, how many projects just fail because
they add too much?
Steam.
Yeah.
Okay. That's
like you gotta watch out for yourself.
That's a very real thing.
one more here. You're right. Thank you. Bing bong. There's your wheel well. Yeah, it's pretty gross in here. I'm glad that we're actually replacing this one. Yeah, this is definitely like the worst rust on this front clip. Luckily, it looks like the strut tower, the shock tower itself, actually isn't totally fucked yet. So we'll be able to treat most of that, I think. And this stuff that's flaking off here is actually from this panel, so that's good. That's not quite how the panel goes, but it does fit on and around the area. I did miss one spot weld slightly, so I had to re-drill it down here. That kind of sucks, but I've been doing that a lot, so it's whatever. Glad to have done some spot welds. Alrighty, so Squanch was over here. He's grinding down all the old spot welds. You can kind of see where they were at. You can see a couple of holes in there. Those are no good, but we'll go in and hopefully fill them tomorrow or the next day. Looking good. Making a little bit of progress, but
I think it's a lot of progress. This is exciting.
Spot welds.
Yeah, but also, yeah. No. That's the scariest piece left, I think.
Yeah, I'm pretty scared of getting the front clip onto this car.
Well, I mean, there is that, but that seems like
that and cleaning it up and rust treating it. It's all pretty scary.
I was scared until we started cleaning it up, and then it seems like it's working pretty well to me. It's going great. I'm really glad we got an air tool to do it, because that's the way. And it's cleaning up pretty fast. It's when you kick off the surface rust, there's not much under there on the wreck part. And we knew this was bad from the start. I think once that's cleaned up, or maybe if you replace it, it's going to be a lot of work to glue it back on, but I think it's just going to be a lot of work, not necessarily scary.
I think it'll be both.
You're probably right. I don't know. Hopefully not scary.
Hopefully it'll be fun at the end.
It will be work, that's for sure.
Alright guys, I didn't film an outro for this video, so I'm doing that right now. Hope you guys liked the video. Give it a like, give it a comment, and I'm probably not gonna make a video for this week. I'm gonna spend some time taking care of myself, because that's important. Hopefully resume videos pretty shortly, and yeah, get some more work done on the Skyline. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Fuck you! Thank you.
Bing.